This is a 2012 Mitsubishi Eclipse, designed to turn heads. It has a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a rear-view camera, heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity discharge headlights, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted stereo controls, leather seats, a rear spoiler, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, fog lamps, rear impact crumple zones, full power accessories, and this vehicle has fewer than 26,000 miles on the odometer. This Mitsubishi has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Big Red Sports and Imports is located at 418 North Interstate Drive in Norman. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.